So I'll just take the Google section. Okay. Today we will discuss regarding Google Ads. So everyone is aware of search ads right now, no? Till now. Today I will show you what we have to do for display ads. So the process of creating the ad is same for search, display, and video. The only process which differs are for display we'll have creatives, but for search we don't have. But even for search we can use creatives as image extensions. So in interview, people may ask you, can we use images in search ads? So most of the people may say no. Okay, you should be aware that we can use images even in search ads as an extension. The extension is called as image extension. Okay. Let's create the campaign now. So for creating any campaign, we have to go to the session. And after that, we have to click on this. Now you can see already we have explained about other campaigns, right? So if you still want to continue that, we can use these campaigns, but now we are creating display campaign. So I'm going to new campaign section. So stop me if you have any doubt at any point of time. Okay. So now here what we want is like already we have done few sections here, objectives. So which objective do you want to select now for display ad? I'll just go and select product and brand consideration. If I go and see that, what you can see for product and brand consideration, you don't have such ad. Okay, you can't set up such campaign or as display campaign. So you should be more aware of these things. The reason is, can we use product and brand consideration for creating search and display ad? They will ask the question. Okay, you can directly say no. If you want to have that, we have to use only video campaign for product and brand consideration. Then if you go for brand awareness and reach, you can go for display as well as video. Now you don't have the option of search. So you have to select the objective here and corresponding to that objective, what was the campaign we can create. That is more important. So every day what you have to do is you have to open the sheet, the UI, and have to check which campaign you want to select, what was the objective of your goal. If the objective of the goal supports the campaign, then you can create it. Okay. If you see for sales, you can get all the whatever is needed. Just will go for leads now. Okay. Sales and leads will have the call extension also. So that is the reason it is showing there, but you can ignore it. Now you can see search, performance max, display, shopping, video, and discovery ads are there. Now we want to go for display, right? So, but what I will do is like I will create it from website traffic because that will be helpful for you. Okay, I will select my objective as this, or else what you can do is like you can create the campaign without a goal guidance. Okay, just click on this and go for a display campaign. Now I'm clicking on display campaign. Okay, because already I have added my the client's number here, so it is taking it. You can just say as continue, and here you have to give your website name. So I'm just giving the website name. So what this means like once the person has clicked on the ad, that should land this page. Okay, whatever is your landing page, that landing page you can give. Right now I'm taking just the whole website itself. I'm not taking any special exam over here. Okay, and I'll mention it as display. This is for June, right? I want to create the campaign for July. One, say July. It is only for my understanding. But when it comes to bigger campaigns, how you have to do is like every campaign name should be given as per the taxonomy. Taxonomy, like different structure. Because if you're having product wise, if you have multiple products, then you can't keep every time display and that. So you should follow one structure as per your convenience. Whatever structure you want to follow, you can create as per that. Or else, if the company is having a designated naming structure for your campaigns, you should follow that. The naming structure should have a proper taxonomy because it is easy for you to understand. Okay, now I'm just taking it as very less. I'm keeping this now as display July. Okay, I'm just going on to continue. So till now, any doubts here? Okay. So now I want to select the place. Okay. I'm just selecting it for our current location, Hyderabad. I want to show everything from Hyderabad. I want leads from Hyderabad. Okay, or else people in Hyderabad has to see my ads. So once I selected that language location, immediately you can see how many impressions are available. Okay, 10 billion plus are available. Okay, and as I said before, you have to select these options, whichever suits for your campaign, presence or interest or presence. So what I want is like presence people regularly in a targeted location. I don't want to show to people who are outside and are looking for here. Okay, because the conversion rate for them is very low. So I just don't want to target outside people. I just want to target people who are in my location only. Sorry. Okay, and now I want to select the language as English. Okay, and now I'll go for more settings. If you want, you can use them. If not, we can leave it by default. Okay, but most of the time, whenever you're setting any campaign, you should never forget that the start date and end date. Okay, so as I'm creating for July, I just want to keep the start date as 1st July because I'm starting a new campaign and I want that to end on 30th July. So I'm selecting the start date as well as end date. And if you go to more section, see last time I said everything, right? Ad rotation. Prefer best performing ad. If you're having 3 or 4 creatives, you can just select which one is performing, you can show that ad. Or else, if you don't want to do that, if you want each and every ad to be shown, you have to go and select do not optimize, rotates ad indefinitely. Okay. The preferred one is like if you are having low budgets, right? It's always better to select the option less prefer best performing ad. Okay. And go to more section and add schedule as see the everything the format is everything is same whatever we have done for search. Okay, for display also you'll get the same options. So it's always better to keep all day based on your product requirement or your service requirement. So I'll just keep it as all day. And other things like devices, I want to show it to all devices. I don't have any options to set my campaign URL. And dynamic ads, I don't want to use my dynamic ads. If I want to, if you people are not able to create immediately, right, directly you go and select this one. When you click on this dynamic ad, right, use dynamic ad fit for personalized ads. It will directly take the display video, not only the displays from your website, any part of your website. The thing is like whenever a person is searching on any category, if that is relevant to them, then immediately if the same keyword is there on your website, okay, on any part of your page, then immediately from that page an ad will be created and that will be shown. Okay, so for now for display, I am not using dynamic ads. Okay, device option, everything is there, and now I want to go for next step. So here you have to set the budget at the start of the day. What is your set your average daily budget for this campaign? So I just want to keep only 50 rupees as I'm starting now. Okay, so immediately you can see your estimated performance based on your targeting settings and daily budget of rupees 50. You may get 170 to 740 clicks. Okay, conversions, it's not available because the budget is very low and average CPC is also low. So let me change these numbers and just keep only 5,000. Now you can see most of the time for 5,000 you can get 6.3K to 31K. So the clicks they're giving, but conversions or CPA is not given because we don't have any past history from this account. That is the reason it is not able to give you. Once you start creating more ads and you are running more ads on your account, then the chances of estimations will come perfectly. So I don't want to use 5,000 per day. I'll just use 500 per day. And coming to bidding, this is the most important thing, as I said previously. Now, what I want to focus more on, my main focus is to have conversions, okay, or viewable impressions. Instead of viewable impressions, for viewable impression, the cost will be low, but for conversions, the cost will be high. Okay. So now what I do is like I just want to target only conversions. Even it is high, I don't want 100 clicks. Okay, I just want only one conversion. If my goal is to have more conversions, I can go for conversions. If I have high budget or low budget, respective of the budget, your goal has to be strong. My main motto is like someone has to join or someone has to take the packages from here, okay, from the client's account. So for doing that, what I'll do, I'll use only conversions. How do you want to get more out? Automatically maximize my conversions or manually set a bid. Okay. Manually set a bid, right? You can select how much of amount you are willing to pay. Okay. So if I go to manual set biddings, enter your enhanced CPC bid for the ad group. Do anyone remember what is enhanced CPC? Just try to recollect.
Cost per click, sir.
A cost per click on enhanced CPC. I'll just give 5 minutes. Just search and tell me.
Search.
Have you got it?
Uh, Automatically adjust your manual bit and minimize conversion.
Hmm. See what happens, right? For example, cost per click, if you're fixing some, it will try to get at that price. If you're entering cost per click, enhanced CPC, right now I'm keeping like 2 rupees. Okay. If I'm keeping it at 2 rupees, what it will show is like whatever the bits we are able to get it. If someone is ready to have the conversion value, even if it is 2.01, if your competitor is bidding that also, it will check it. Okay, I may get it the conversion for 2.01 or 2.02 or 1.98. Okay, less or above 5 to 10% of the this number. So it is ready to showcase that. What happens if you are getting your bid is $2, 2 rupees, and your competitor is also 2 rupees. Okay, so to win over your competitor, what system will take is like it will use as it you have already given the option enhance. It will consider 2.01 or 2.02 to get the conversion for you. Okay, okay. And I think now I will just do automatic, but I don't prefer to keep automatically maximum conversion. The reason is if you're keeping that, it will directly take the higher price, whatever the competitor is bidding. So it's not advisable. Just try to keep from manually right now. And then select it. Now the targeting, whatever targeting you have to opt is the audience segmentation. As yesterday's class also we have seen that what is the audience that we can keep it, demographics we can keep it, keywords we can keep it. Right now I don't have keywords. What I will do, like I'll just click on this. Okay, get keyword ideas from the website. Okay, just 2 minutes. So if you're not confident, like what are the keywords, right? What you can do is like you can just give your website here, okay, keyword ideas. Then immediately what it will do, it will go to your website and it will pick the keywords, okay, relevant keywords. If you feel that relevant keywords are there, these are okay for you, you can add it directly. You can just click plus on it, it will get added here. Okay, exam is not exam questions. I need this one. I'm not interested. Whichever I'm interested, I can check it and I can just click on that. So immediately it will get added here. If I like all the keywords, then I can just click all the keywords. Okay. One other thing is content only show ad on web pages, apps, or videos related to these keywords. Okay, it's always better if you select this one. Okay, if any website, as you're going giving a display ad on any website, if these keywords are there, the chances of showing your ad on that this website is high. Any question here? Okay. And here this audience segment, everything is done. Last time when I said, right, if you want to uh, show your ad on whatever topics, that also you can select from here. And just click here. So what type of content you're having on your ad should be shown on what content, it is also given here. Okay, if you narrow it down, right, the numbers over here will populate in a different way. Okay, if I'm just selecting right now, it is showing 280 to 770 clicks. I'm just adding online communities. Just see how the numbers will change. You can see it, right? The numbers are changing. So it is always better to add the topics because that will be more relevant to your ad. Here I want to show more on education. So I'll just go and select only education rather than other. Online communities means what all are there? Blogging, services, dating, feeding. This is not relevant to my current client's requirement. So what I have to do is like I just remove that one and I click only this topic. So show my ad only on jobs and education sites. Okay, whatever content is there, it has to be shown on this only. And next, so do you remember like last time I said whichever website also you want to show, that also you can do it. If you can select here, now you have selected topics, but here you can add placements. Okay, suggest websites, video, apps, and everything. Click here, which placement you want to select. Browse whatever URL you're having. So once you are having a free time, right, just do some research on this. If I say everything on these topics, right, you'll not understand. Once you do on these things, you'll understand. Okay, so I'm not saying this topic now. I'm going to the next section. Now I have to use one image. Okay, so what I will do here, we have these are the type of ad: responsive, display ad, upload displays from your creatives, and copy existing. Now I have to go and select this images. So now I have to select the images from my computer, so whichever I'm using it. Here, if you see, what is my business name? You have to give your business name here. So how you'll get the images now? You should need images, right? So for creating any display ad, you should have the images. Right now I don't have images. So what I will do, I'll just click here These are the old images I'm having, the sizes also. So what I'll do, I will use my old ads which are already there, or else what I want to do is like I'll just scan my website. If I can get any images from my website, I'll try to do. But here also I am not getting the required sizes. Okay, these are basic sizes. Or else if you are linking your ads account with any of these, okay, for your Instagram or your LinkedIn, even it can scan from that and it can source the images. Or else what you can do, if you have created the images already, just click on this and select them simply. Or else if you have not done that also, just go to stock images. Okay, what do you mean by stock images? Stock images.
No idea, sir.
Okay, just search on this also. Okay, just take this as an assignment, you will understand. Okay, not record, just simple topic. Stock images, like we have there are a lot of websites, okay, which are giving the images. Okay, for example, Shutterstock. Okay, this is a premium website where you will have images. Those are paid images. Okay, so you can link, if you are having your account in that, you can link on that and you can search it, and you can add images from those websites. There are a lot of stock images out there. There are a lot of sites. For example, Pixels is there, one. Pixabay is there. Okay, like that. Whatever you are having, you can just select on that, and you can select that and selected etc. So whatever you have selected among all these things, you can see it here. So right now, as I don't have the images handy with me, what I am doing is I'm using the old images which are having. Okay, what I have to do, I have to select here. So I'm selecting this to show as on my ad. So these images have been populated from the website scan. Okay, I'm just want to include that also. I'm just clicking on. If the ratios are apt, then only it will show. If not, it will show an error. At least one landscape image is required. At least one square image is required. So anyhow, I have added that. Now see how my ad looks on any website. Is it visible for everyone? I can see how my ad will show. Okay. Right now I'm showing in mobile. Now I'll show you how it will be shown on desktop on system. See, this is how an ad will show. So based on the creatives, whatever I have provided, it is showing. So these are the sizes. Do you remember or you've forgotten the sizes? 160 into 600, 300 into 250, 300 into 250. Okay. Just for your reference, I'm showing you. You can see how many types of ads you can see based on those images which are provided. Okay. Now I'll just see only image ads, how only the image ads will show. What type of ads are having, you can see all the things. Okay, how only text ads will show, how native ad will show. This is how it will show. Okay, you can see all type of ads here. Okay, the keyword, if you click on key ad formats, you can see all the versions. If you want individual versions, you can do it. So you have to add logos up to 5. Already I have added the logo, one is required. Okay, and if you're having videos, you can add your videos. Okay, most of the time what we'll have a YouTube account. So from YouTube account you can source those videos and you can keep it. Okay, it is always advisable to keep a video which is less than 30 seconds. Okay, 30 seconds or less than 30 seconds. If the video size is big, right, the chances of showing that ad is very low. So for you're clear or any doubts?
Clear, sir.
Okay. Now here, this is the most important thing. Like you should have for any ad the headline and the long headline. Okay, and the description. So here, what you can do is like right now it has taken only from my previous ads. Now I just want to create new headlines. Okay, this is required now. And the headline what I can the best quality test. Okay, I will add that. See it is see here it is suggesting. Okay, if you want to use you can use, or else if you can want to create you can create it. So because how this will suggest, right, this will search your website and it will create the headlines. So take all online courses. I'm keeping this also. Okay, only three I have given. Like that you can give four headlines, five headlines. Okay, so I want to give only three as of now. If I want more, what I have to do, I'll go and see the website, which keyword I want to use. So I don't want to go signing. I want to show this also as a headline. So I'm just typing here and I'll check. See, for everything, right, you have only 30 characters limit. More than that, you can't do. Okay. Test packages on 50% discount. I just use this one. Or else I'll use this one also. Unlock test packages. Here, I'll show you what is going on. Whatever you're keeping the headlines here, right? Those headlines, you can see it here. But with your ad, unlock text packages. This is how your ads will be shown. Is that clear? Take all online courses. Take all online courses. This is the headline it is coming. Now you have to give your long description. I have not given here. Just exam preparation site is only given. Okay, that will be better. And for description, you have to give. So instead of searching there, I'll see what all ideas are there, what Google suggested. I'll use that. Okay, we bring quality. This is very good. Personalized performance analysis. Okay, like that we can give 15 headline descriptions. So I'm just giving only three as of now. And what I'll do now, I'll click on this and create the ad. See, this is how your ad will show. I'm having only one ad now. I'm not creating more. Click on next. Now you see everything. Okay, whatever you have done till now, it will be shown. Fix these errors to publish your campaign. So if you are missing any point of it, immediately it will shown at the end. No issues. No need to take any tension. Just scroll down and see what was that. Two responsive. It is asking two because we have selected the option as rotate the best ad, right? At the start, we have mentioned rotate the best ad. Okay, so if it has to rotate, we have to show at least two ads. So it's very easy. Let's create immediately. No need to take any more tension. Just go to your assets and I'll select one, two, three, four. and I will click on save. So immediately one more ad is getting created. So right now I don't want to use any more headlines. What I'll use, test package is on 50% discount. I want to use only one headline. Exam preparation site, let it be a headline here, and even long headline it is already there. Prepare for your exams with us. Okay, or else I'll keep one more thing. Because we have to show some variation, right? The previous ad and this ad. So I'm not taking more. I will use these ads. 90 keywords are there. Are you able to understand what I'm doing here? I just used these headlines now because I want to descriptions as I want to show some variation from the previous ad to this ad. Okay. Next I'll create next. See now the error which was showing here has gone, right? Now once again what you can do, right? If you have done some mistakes, again you can review your settings at the end of the campaign settings. So just search each and everything which you have missed. Okay, I just kept my phone as my extension. Display, location is there, language is there, start date and date is there, schedule all day is there, budget 50 per day, and my bidding is already mentioned here, CPC enhanced, and how much I have kept that bidding is 2 rupees, and what are the keywords are there, what are the topic I've selected, optimization, optimized targeting on, 2 responsive ads are there. Now I can click on publish campaign. See, your ad will run only if you have money in your account. Okay, just see that that's the main thing. Okay, not eligible right now because it is going under review. Okay, if you are not having money in your account, then it will not show the ad. Okay, this will go for review, and if it gets approved, good. If it is not approved, if you are having any mistake in that, again it will ask to correct it. Any questions so far? Which one is easy? Display ad is easy or search ad is easy for you on this? Anyone? Which ad is easy? Which one? Display ad or search ad? Okay, just practice this. Okay, then you'll understand which one is easy. Okay, both are easy only if you practice more times. Okay, if you don't practice, right, then it will be very difficult. You will find it very difficult. If you are familiar with creating the campaign script, within 5 minutes you can create the whole campaign, whatever campaign you need it. Okay, and again we'll continue the class on Monday. Okay, Monday it will be Facebook ads only. Okay, if you have any doubts, you can just reach out to us on the WhatsApp.